What's up, everybody? Back again with another unboxing video, but I have a disclaimer. This video is for free states only, and all the free state people, you know who you are, and all the non-free state people, you unfortunately know who you are too. And once I get this unboxed and unbagged, you will know what I'm talking about. So let's get to it. I was walking through the gun store and I noticed that this was on sale. And you can't really have too many magazines. This is the Daniel Defense DD magazine. And as you can see, it holds 22 more rounds than the non-free states. 32 round magazine. See, it touts 32 round capacity and the same size as magazine as the standard industry 30 round magazine. We're going to test that out. Improved feed lip, designed and optimized for feeding and reliability. Lightweight carbon fiber reinforced polymer construction. That's pretty cool. Textured grips for all situations. You always need that. Enhanced anti-tilt follower for reliable feeding. I always have that. That's the reason why I got this, for reliability. Impact absorbing base plate designed for long lasting durability. That's always a plus. Easy disassemble for cleaning. And snag free design. And you have the satisfaction guarantee from Daniel Defense. And proudly and exclusively made in America. Let's go ahead and open this up. So there we go. Looks like, oh, if you want to attach that to something, there's that for already there. DD magazine. You got that Daniel Defense yellow follower 5.56. Well, let's see here. I have a Magpul PMag, and it looks like it's actually smaller than the PMag, and it holds 2 more rounds than this 30 round PMag. Now, for you non-free states, do a comparison. I do have a 10 round PMag because YouTube also requires that you use a 10 round magazine if you're shooting it for the video, but I'm not sure because we're just doing a tabletop review. And as you can see, it is unloaded, so we're safe here. Now, I don't have a Daniel Defense, but what I have is my Michael Defense. So let's go ahead and open it up. Show that we are all clear. Let's go ahead and insert this Daniel Defense. Well, let me take it off camera. Oh, there we go. Just had a bad angle with it. So yeah, this goes right in to your rifle of choice. Just as long as it takes the standard M4, M16 magazines. So yeah, that's what I wanted. I'm not sure if it's any better or any worse than the Magpul, but it was on sale and I wanted to give the Daniel Defense a try. So when I get back to the range, we'll load it up and shoot some off.